Hello students, good evening. Welcome to our National Public School. Today we will study about sentence making. It is a part of grammar. It is for standard 4. Today we will know how we have to make sentence. Subject, verb, object. In a sentence there are 3 parts. One is subject, second is verb, and third is object. Subject means doer, korta. It must be a noun or pronoun. Example: Rubina Khatun, Akbar Ali, etc. Verb: a word which describes an action, e.g., read, go, come, etc. Object: object is a noun or pronoun or thing to which an action is directed, e.g., book, table. Some words can make a sentence. E.g., number A, India live we are. This India live we in. These words are not arranged in grammatical rules, so that we have to arrange the words in English grammatical rules. Answer: we live in India. It is correct. Number B, we food eat. These words are not arranged in right order. Answer: we eat food. This sentence is correct, so that the words in the sentence are arranged in grammatical rules. Here we subject, eat verb, food equal to object. Number C, obey you elders. These words are arranged in disorder rules. Answer: you obey elders. These words are arranged in right order. so that the sentence is correct. Question number D. I, book, read. These words are arranged in wrong order, so that we have to arrange the words in right order or in grammatical rules. Answer. I read book. Here I is subject, read is verb, and book is object. So that if you want to make a sentence, at first we have to write subject and then we have to write verb, and after that at last we have to write object. Okay, good.